All right, guys. So Kristen here again. So I've already been working, I've started getting deeper into the hamstrings, and now I kind of want to move up a little bit into the glutes, the hip, as I work down into the IT band. So in order to do this, you just pick Phil's foot up, and with this leg, you just slide under. You have to get a little high. All right. So we're just like kind of hugging the body. Does that feel comfortable, Phil?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So with my elbow, I just lean in, kind of explore. And you have two arms, so you could totally use both arms as you're sitting here sinking in the side body. Work the calf as I work the IT band. You can rock, just sink into place if you find something yummy in there. To give a little more pressure, you just stack your arms and lean over. Phil, how are we doing with pressure?
It's nice. I can take more, but it's just
right.
too. See, I have those deep-seated pains, so.
Mm-hmm. So you don't just have to go straight compressions in. Like just now I leaned in and kind of gave a little torque with the elbow. Just be careful as you head towards the knee. This area can be quite a bit more tender.